Dr. Rectibules.
This is Young Hustle.
Pepper Lad.
Get ready, students. What is Charcot-Marie tooth disease?
What is Charcot-Marie tooth disease? Our researchers at Illuminati Science have been asking for centuries. My name is Dr. Rectibulus, and today I'm going to be telling you all about this. Charcot-Marie tooth disease, CMT, is one of the most common inherited neurological disorders affecting approximately 1 in 2,500 people in the United States alone. The disease is named for the three physicians who first identified it in 1886, G. Martin Charcot and Pierre Mary in Paris, France, and Howard Henry Tooth in Cambridge, England. CMT, also known as hereditary motor and sensory neuropathy, HSMSN, or peroneal muscular atrophy, comprises a group of disorders that affect peripheral nerves. The peripheral nerves never lie outside of the brain. The spinal cord is supply the muscles, sensory organs, and the limbs. Disorders that affect the peripheral nerves are called peripheral neuropathy.
What causes Charcot-Marie tooth disease?
Folks, Pepper here, and I'm going to tell you about some causes of the Charcot-Marie tooth disease. A nerve cell communication information to distant targets. I can't understand. Not going good. Excuse me. Sorry, my goggles are hurting my eyes. A nerve cell communicates information to distant targets by sending electrical signals down a long, thin part of the cell called the axon. In order to increase the speed at which another type of cell called the Schwann cell, the Malan twists around the axon like a jelly roll cake and prevents the loss of electrical signals. Without an intact axon and Malan sheath, the peripheral nerve are unable to activate target muscles to relay sensory information to the limbs back to the brain.
Lads, tell me some symptoms of the Charcot-Marie tooth disease.
Hey kids, Pepper again. I'm going to tell you about some symptoms of the Charcot-Marie tooth disease. The neuropathy of CMT affects both your motor and sensory nerves, so both your coordination and your strength. In control of your voluntary muscles such as speaking, walking, breathing, and swallowing. A typical feature includes weakness of the foot and lower leg muscles. It can result in a foot drop and a high stepped gait with frequent tripping or falls.
I forgot.
So what are you looking at there, Pepper?
Oh, I'm just giving a blog for the kids.
We're trying to say foot deformities. Are we trying to say that?
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Alright, so let's start back up. Alright, we can do this.
Alright, okay, back at foot deformities. Where did I leave it? I have to think.
The right.
Such as, foot deformities. Such as
I'm trying to record.
If it's not one thing, it's the other. Enough problems about myself. You make me want to put my goggles on. It really sucks you. I'm really sorry, guys.
Foot deformities, such as high arches and hammer toes, a condition in which the middle joint of a toe bends upwards, are also characteristics due to weakness of the small muscles in the feet.
My goggles suction if I press.
Mates, I found some types of Charcot-Marie tooth disease. Stay euphoric.
Including the CMT1, CMT2, CMT3, CMT4, and CMTX. CMT1, caused by abnormalities PMP22 genes. In this case, abnormally low levels of PMP22 gene result in
We're having trouble up there.
PIMP22 genes. In this case, abnormally low levels of PIMP22 gene result in episodic recurrent demyelinating neuropathy. CMT1B is an autosomal dominant disease caused by mutations in the gene that carries the instructions for manufacturing the myelin protein 0PO, which is another crucial component of the myelin sheath. Most of these mutations in the PO gene. As a result of abnormalities in PO, CMT1B produces symptoms similar found to those in CMT1A. The less common CMT1C, CMT1D, and CMT1E, which also have symptoms similar to those found in CMT1A, are caused by mutations in the LITTAF, EGR2, and NEFL genes respectively.
Here is how to diagnose this disease.
Alright, it is Dr. Rectibule. Sorry, I got my name wrong because I'm... Alright. How is Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease diagnosed, you may be asking? Diagnosis of CMT begins with a standard medical history, family history, and neurological examination. Individuals will be asked about the nature and duration of their symptoms and whether other family members have the disease. During the neurological examination, a physician will look for evidence of muscle weakness in the individual's arms, legs, hands, and feet. Decreased muscle bulk, reduced tendon reflexes, and sensory loss. Doctors look for evidence of foot deformities such as high arches, hammer toes, inverted heel, or flat feet. Other orthopedic problems such as mild scoliosis and hip dysplasia may also be present. A specific sign that may be found in people with CMT1 is nerves called hypertrophic nerves are caused by abnormally thickened myelin sheaths.
What MLG research is being done?
Okay, time to learn about how research is being done. So, the NINDS supports research on CMT and other peripheral neuropathies in an effort to learn how to better treat, prevent, and even cure these disorders. Ongoing research includes efforts to identify more of the mutant genes and proteins that cause the various disease subtypes, such as efforts to discover the mechanisms of nerve degenerations and muscle atrophy, with the hope of developing interventions to stop or slow down these debilitating processes, and efforts to find therapies to reverse nerve degeneration and muscle atrophy. Now, what is being done to stop this? For one, a promising area of research involves gene therapy experiments. Research with cell cultures and animal models has shown that it is possible to deliver genes to Schwann cells and muscles. Another area of research involves the use of tropic factors or nerve growth factors, such as the hormone androgen, to prevent nerve degeneration. Vitamin C has been studied in CMT1A, and the results of a multicentric trial are due soon. Curcumin, a component of curry, is currently being studied as a strategic treatment in an animal model of CMT1B.
Every day when you're walking down the street, and everybody that you meet has an original point of view, and I say